Try and teach my doggy how to come downstairs. She's never been allowed down here. But she is now, though, because she's, like, you know, older and stuff. So, I'm trying to lure her with doggy treats. I put 2 on the, like, first step coming down, and when she came down to eat those, went back up. Come on, Ellie, you can do it, girl. Don't be scared. Come on, girl. You got this. You've got this, girl. You yawn at me. Come on, girl. If you come down, I'll give you even more treats. Oh, here she comes, here she comes. Come on, girl. You can do it, Ellie. You can do it, Ellie. Come on, girl. It'll be okay. Ellie Belly. Alright, I'll shut up and let you focus. You can do it, girl. I believe in you. Okay? You can do it, Ellie. I believe in you, girl. Ellie Belly.